Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, I am Umair. Today I'm gonna talk from some of the parts of the famous kitab, Hidayatul Adkiya ila Tariq al Awliya. And this kitab is written by Sheikh Zainuddin al Maktum al Awal. This kitab mainly deals with tasawwuf, which deals with all dimensions of life through which we should go through in order to achieve the ultimate happiness and to know the ultimate truth. Today, my topic is the path of happiness and sorrow. This kitab is in a poetic form, which have many parts, and this is one of the part, the path of happiness and sorrow. Piety is the path to all the happinesses, and following the desires and passions of the body is the path to all the failures and sorrow. Shaitan, the devil, has many ropes which he uses to trap innocent people, and the pivot of this rope is the desires of your body. Pious people are the worshippers of Allah, and the people who follow the desires and passions of the body are the party of shaitan or devil. Allah has said in Quran, وَأَمَّا مَنْ خَافَ مَقَامَ رَبِّهِ وَنَهَى النَّفْسَ عَنِ الْهَوَى فَإِنَّ الْجَنَّةَ هِيَ الْمَأْوَى. But as for he who feared the position of his Lord and prevented the soul from unlawful inclinations, فَإِنَّ الْجَنَّةَ هِيَ الْمَأْوَى, then indeed paradise will be his refuge. So the path of piety, the path of happiness is the path of piety. And the path of piety is the path towards Allah. And this path will not be stable without three compulsory things. And they are Sharia, Tariqa, and Haqiqa. We'll go through these three things one by one. Firstly, Sharia. What is Sharia? Sharia is following the rules of the religion by obeying the orders or instructions and avoiding what the religion has inhibited and restricted us from doing so. And nextly, Tariqa. What is Tariqa? Tariqa is holding or complying with the precautions and determination till he or one becomes devoted from suspicions and always be inclined towards worshipping Allah. He'll not eat unless he is hungry or there is a requirement or there is a need. He'll not sleep unless there is a state of prevalence, and he will not speak unless there is a necessity or exigency. And that is a part of tariqah. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said, عن أبي هريرة رضي الله عنه قال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم من حسن إسلام المرء تركه ما لا يعنيه. It is from the excellence of a believer's Islam that he should shun that which is of no concern to him. And this is part of tariqah. And next is haqiqah. Haqiqah is his arrival towards the cognition of Allah, and that is the ultimate truth. And this cognition is the intended or the intentional destination of us and the desired fruit or the result. But this stage of haqiqah cannot be acquired without sharia and tariqah. Let me get an example from the kitab Hidayatul Adkiya ila Tariq al Awliya. Sharia is like a ship on which you board on, and tariqa is like a sea, it's like the sea on which the ship sails through. And haqiqa is like a pearl which is found deep beneath the sea. So if you want to get the pearl, firstly you should board the ship, then sail through the sea, and you should dive deep into the sea, and then you will get the pearl. Similarly, if you want to get to the haqiqah, the stage of haqiqah, Firstly, you should board on the ship of Sharia, and you should sail through the sea of Tariqah. Then you should dive deep into the sea of Tariqah. Then you will get access to the pearl of Haqiqah. So this Haqiqah rests upon Tariqah, and this Tariqah rests upon Sharia. Briefly saying, you will not get access to this Haqiqah, which is the cognition of Allah, without this Tariqah, which is holding or complying the precautions and determination till he or one becomes devoted from the suspicions and always be inclined towards worshipping Allah. And this tariqah will not be satisfied without Sharia, which is following the rules of the religion by obeying the orders of the religion and avoiding what the religion has inhibited and restricted us from doing. So, in one word, in order to reach the ultimate happiness, in order to get the ultimate happiness, the only way is the way of piety, the way of taqwa. And that's for today. Wishing you all a Ramadan which takes you to the highest peak of spirituality and takes you to your ultimate destination. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.